Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back. Let's take a look what's going on in the gold market. So still we have some activity despite we're coming to the holidays. In euro currency it's also was really significant action yesterday, so it had brought few fresh patterns that have been formed. On the gold market maybe it is not as clear as on the euro currency, but still some moments exist. So first of all, let's return back to our discussion of the possible grabbers. On the retail broker chart that we see here, this FX choice, you could see that trend just has turned bullish. So market has breaking the MACD line, forming no grabbers. But if we'll take a look at the futures chart, we'll see that situation stands slightly different. Here is gold futures on the COMEX. We could see that trend has not turned bullish yet, and market only today is flirting with the MACD. Well, based on the performance that I see on the lower time frame, chances that we will get the grabber and downside continuation looks really low. So more probable that we should get some upward continuation here. Maybe it will not be too significant, but some upward action could happen, mostly in the same manner as on the euro currency, because the patterns that we have as on the gold markets on the euro currency mostly stands the same. Besides, if we take a look at the 10-year yield, you could see that market still stands in the same place as it was yesterday, just forming tight consolidation in the shape of the pennant or flag pattern and just above the major XOP around 380 area. It means that here, probably until the end of the week, we will see. Also, we will get the personal consumption expenditures numbers this week. So we'll see what will happen. But supposedly until the end of the week, we should get this downward action, completion of this target. This will be negative for the United States dollar and theoretically should support as the euro currency upside performance as the gold performance. Right now, it seems that all turmoil that we see in the Middle East around the Yemen, so it seems makes no impact by far on the gold market. Otherwise, we should get some significant upward action, but it seems right now nobody treats it as a big hazard, although we think differently, and very soon this will impact on the performance of the crude oil. Actually, it's already impacting on the crude oil, but I suppose on the gold market it also could impact as well. So we will see. But for now, we do not see any changes right there. So mostly this is the same performance on anticipation of the rate cut from the Fed. On a lower time frame, we are watching for the same hand shoulders, and it seems that market just returned back to the neckline, suggesting that mostly right arm stands in place. So as I already said on the euro currency, once again here you could see that the idea of the scaling in gradual taking of the position most cases provides good result. So because we said you could split your position, try and take mine position right here and see what will happen. So you can see market turns to the upside direction and hasn't completed any second leg to the downside. So as a conservative trader, personally I haven't taken it here, and those of you who are waiting for a deep retracement also probably right now stands without the position. Those who split the position, take some part here now, had great entry, could move stops to the break even and just see what will happen. Meantime, with all the stuff that we have in place, and although we intend to keep an eye on the possible daily grabber on the COMEX chart, at the same time, let's see what will happen here. So because here it might be the same pattern to be formed as on the euro, and it might be kind of the butterfly, but the nearest target is 2056. So maybe it even could be higher later, but for now, the nearest target, we're just watching for this one. Supposedly on to the upside, we should get some A, B, C bottom based on the hand shoulders, which is significantly more extended targets. But for now, let's just, as we're coming to the holidays, let's just watch for this 2056. On the hourly chart, we could consider minor retracement just to let right arm or right wing of the pattern to be formed. These two levels to keep an eye on: 2035 approximately and 2027. Still levels. Here you can see that indeed this ABCD pattern has been formed that we discussed yesterday, but it was even in extension of the OP. So that market has broken all the resistance levels here, and take a look, also taken out of the C points. So this ABCD pattern that we discussed previously is not valid anymore. In fact, market here has formed a bullish reversal swing. So from that standpoint, this is also looks bullish and doesn't correspond to idea of the possible A, B, C, top, D pattern. So this, well, since this should be the retracement after this one action, it definitely cares not the feature of the retracement. So this looks like more the starting of the continuation of previous upward tendency. So that's what we have on the gold market. Let's keep watching. Currently it seems that short-term sentiment changing to bullish, and you should either hold position that you have taken yesterday or somewhere in this area that we discussed, or you could consider taking the new position on some minor retracement here, maybe to the 2035 area based on this butterfly. Well, and see what will happen next.